I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through the Laura Ashley Haywood range of curtain poles. The Haywood range of curtain poles is a wooden curtain pole range. It's an ash curtain pole that has been stained to really let the natural grain of the wood show through for a really beautiful look. The range has been designed to complement the furniture within the Laura Ashley portfolio, and it's available in 4 colours. So we've got the honey and the dark chestnut here, so the honey on the top and the dark chestnut on the bottom, and hopefully you can really see that beautiful natural grain of the wood coming through. And then we have the washed oak and the white, again with that lovely grain coming through. The urn style finial lends itself to a traditional, timeless look and works well within the Laura Ashley portfolio of fabrics, wallpaper and ready-made curtains and bedding. The poles are available in 180cm, a 240 and a 360 length, and they can be cut to size with a junior hacksaw, or we offer the cut to size service on our website. Please note the pole length that you request excludes the finials, and the finials on this curtain pole are 10cm long. The 240cm and 360cm are supplied in 2 pieces with a centre bracket and a joining piece, so the centre bracket will support the join. The pole sets are supplied as a complete set with poles, brackets, rings and the finials, and also a fittings pack, so you have everything to install your pole. Please note the fittings are suitable for solid walls, so if you are drilling into plasterboard, we would recommend that specific plasterboard fixings are used. You get 10 rings for every 10cm of pole, so 18 with the 180 pole, 24 with the 240 and 36 with the 360. The bracket projects the pole 10cm from the wall, and the bracket height is 6cm, 60mm, so please, if you are restricted for space, please do check the measurements prior to purchase. The technical drawings are on our website, which shows these measurements. These poles are ideal for pencil pleat curtains, so please do view the Laura Ashley ready-made pencil pleat range on our website. Or we could make the fabric into beautiful double or triple pinch pleat curtains for you as well, which would really complement the style and design of the curtain pole. We wouldn't recommend eyelets on a wooden pole, as they just don't run as smoothly as they do on a metal pole. To complete the look, we offer a beautiful collection of Laura Ashley tiebacks on our website. So this is the beautiful Lorraine tieback with a gorgeous clear faceted ball detail in the design, available in multiple colourways. And this is the stunning Selby tieback, again with the cut glass, really beautiful with the light reflecting off that and the chrome detail as well. The rope tieback is available in a variety of colours and is a real classic. It's simple but just does the job and is a really popular choice. And we also sell the tieback hooks, which you'll need if you want to tie back your curtains. We also sell the full Laura Ashley paint collection with some beautiful pastel tones, with some darker hues and some warm neutrals through to the cooler greys. So please do see our website and order any sample pots should you be interested in the paint. Please get in touch if we can help you pull a look together. If you'd like any design ideas or inspiration, we're here to help. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk or please call us on 01590 615 775. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, information and useful hints and tips. Thank you very much for watching.